police, EMS, and firefighters rushed here to the scene, but when they got here, they found that man had already passed away. It appears he worked for a local family-owned business. His brother and father visibly distraught here at the scene. It took firefighters over 4 hours to get the man out of the trench.
When they arrived, unfortunately, it was determined that his injuries were fatal.
The 911 call came in at around 9:30 this morning. A man trapped in a trench. The 35-year-old was buried up to his chest. He and others were working to replace a water main that runs from Route 440 through this parking lot to Society Hill.
Apparently his father and at least one brother was on the scene working with him.
The company they all worked for now under investigation. The building department and OSHA was on the scene. The fire department working for hours to secure both sides of the trench before sending firefighters down to remove the man's remains. Investigators are working to determine what caused this collapse.
It's down about approximately 4 feet. We've had rain and mud and dirt, and I guess when you open these things up, you got to be careful about the stability of the ground and things like that. So right now, all of that is just speculative what occurred. Once they get further investigation, I'm quite sure they'll determine what the problem was.
Officials have not yet released the name of the man who was killed here today, but this all remains under investigation. Live in Jersey City, I'm Christy Duffy, Pix 11 News.
All right, Christy, thank you so much.